How to fix Face ID not recognizing your face in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in this video I will guide you through some quick and easy steps to fix this issue. Let's get started. First, clean the Face ID sensors your iPhone for dirt or debris on the true depth camera. Gently clean it with a soft lint cloth. Update your iPhone to the latest version. Open settings, scroll down and tap on general, then software update. If an update is available, download and install it. To fix the potential bug, swipe back, scroll down, Face ID and passcode. Set up Face ID again. Add an alternate appearance in the Face ID and passcode. Tap set up alternate appearance. This is useful if you often wear glasses, hats, or change your hairstyle. Restart your iPhone. Press hold the power button and either volume button until the slide appears. Slide to power off, then turn your phone back on. If none of these steps work, the issue might be hardware related. Visit the nearest Apple store or use the support app to get help. And that's it. By following these steps, your Face ID should start working smoothly. Thanks for watching.